Good morning, guys. Welcome to Ruges's Maths Academy. Bacha log, in this particular session, we are going to discuss type 5 sums on height and distances. So let's get started with type 5 sums on height and distances. Question number 1 and question number 8.1 of this particular worksheets are similar. So let's do it. A vertical pole and vertical tower are on the same level ground. Vertical pole and vertical tower, vertical pole and vertical tower are on the same level ground. Okay, pole and tower are on the same level ground. From the top of the pole, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 60 degrees. And the angle of depression of the foot of the tower, the angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. The entire height of the tower. The height of the pole is 20 meters. Okay, so ye 20 meters, so ye bhi 20 meters. Let us name it X and let's get started. So first, let us name it A, B, C, D, E. तो फर्स्ट बेटा tan 60 दिख रहा है बेटा इधर आपको, ये वाला ट्राइंगल दिख रहा है बेटा, इन ट्राइंगल ADE बेटा, इन ट्राइंगल ADE लिख देते हैं बेटा, so you have a better reference. In triangle ADE, tan of 60 degrees is opposite H upon adjacent X. So root 3 is H upon X beta, so H is root 3 X. Second, in triangle ADC, tan of 30 degrees is opposite 20 upon adjacent X. 1 by root 3 is 20 upon X. So X is 20 root 3. Okay बेटा, ये X को इधर सब्स्टिट्यूट करते हैं बेटा. Therefore H is root 3 into 20 root 3. So H is 20 into 3. H is 60 meters. But please understand, root 3 to root 3 makes 3. Okay. Therefore height of tower, which is equal to H plus 20, is 60 plus 20, which is 80 meters. Please pause this video and now try to do question number 8 का second. Very similar diagram except for 1 or 2 data points has been changing. ठीक है बेटा? Please try to attempt question number 8 का second part. Okay? ये अच्छे से copy करो, pause करो, 8 का second part will be doing now. चलो. I am doing question number 8 का second part. So now what they are saying, I am doing question number 8 का second part now. Okay? A vertical pole and the vertical tower are on the same level ground. From the top of the pole, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 60 and the angle of depression of the bottom is 30. Find the height of the pole. अभी मुझे height of the pole ढूंढना है बेटा. I need to find the height of the pole. If the height of the tower is 80, is 75 meters. Find the height of the pole if the height of the tower is 75 meters. बेटा ये पूरा 75, ये h, तो ये रिमेनिंग कितना? 75 minus h. Okay मेरे बच्चे लोग? Okay? So this becomes 75 minus h upon x. This becomes 75 minus h upon x. So you get root 3x. Yeah, x is 75 minus h upon x. Okay, so this is your first part. In triangle ADC, tan 30 is h upon x. H upon x. So x is root 3h. Now equating both the x together, beta. I am equating both the x together now. So 75 minus h upon root 3 is equals to root 3h. Multiply. So 75 minus h becomes 3h. 75 becomes 4h. So h becomes 75 upon 4. That is 18.75 meters. Okay. So very similar sum. Okay. Question number 8-1 and 8-2. In question number 8-1, we need to find the height of the tower given height of the pole. And in the second case, we need to find the height of the pole given height of the tower. Hope so आपको समझ में आया हो मेरा बच्चा लोग. Please pause this video and try to solve these first two sums on your own. चलो बेटा, now let us focus on solving question number 2. We did question number 1 and question number 8. Now let us attempt question number 2. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is observed to be 60 degrees. At a point 30 meters vertically above the first point of the observation, at a point 30 meter above the first point of observation, the elevation is found to be 45 degrees. Find the height of the tower and the horizontal distance. Okay, ये 30 meters होगा, ये h होगा, ये पूरा h plus 30 होगा. ठीक है, तो first I'll take, so tan of 45 degrees is h upon x. H is equals to x. Second, 60 degrees. Tan of 60 is h plus 30 upon x. I'll replace x with h beta. So root 3h is equals to h plus 30. Root 3h minus h is equals to 30. Take h common. Root 3 minus 1 is equals to 30. So h is 30 divided by root 3 minus 1. Rationalize it. Guys, so as you can see, the height of the tower is 40.98 plus 30, which is 70.98, and the horizontal distance between them is h equals to x equals to 40.98 meters. Okay, so हमने horizontal distance भी ढूंढ लिया और height of the tower भी ढूंढ लिया. Hope so you have understood this sum very well बेटा. ठीक है, please pause this video and try to solve this entire sum on your own. Try to frame a diagram, try to solve it बेटा. Question number 3. Two pillars of equal heights, तो pillar 1 and pillar 2 दोनों का height h stands on the either side of roadway, which is 150 meters. At a point on the roadway between the pillars, the elevation of the top of the towers are 60 degrees. Elevation is 60 degrees and 30 degrees. So let us assume this part is x, so the remaining becomes 150 minus x. A, B, C, D, E. So first, tan 60 degrees is opposite h upon adjacent x. Tan 30 degrees is h upon 150 minus x. 1 upon root 3 is h upon 150 minus x. Therefore 150 minus x is equals to root 3h बेटा. h के बदले सब्स्टिट्यूट करो बेटा. Therefore 150 minus x is equals to root 3, h के बदले root 3x बेटा. x is 37.5. Therefore h is root 3x बेटा. 1.732 into 37.5. Okay बेटा. Hope so guys you got it बेटा. Height and the point at which the angle of elevation was there. Okay. Both हम लोगों ने ढूंढा बेटा. x भी ढूंढा और हम लोगों ने height of the pillar भी ढूंढा. Height of the pillar 64.95 and the position of the point is 37.5 from a particular point A. Are you with me बेटा? Question number 3 भी समझ में आया? Okay. So please pause this video. एक बार फिर से वॉच करो कैसे मैंने सॉल्व किया and then try to solve on your own. Okay. Question number 4 and question number 9 are similar. In question number 9 the diagram was given. In question number 4 we have to create a diagram. Okay, so let's create a diagram. From a top of the cliff 60 meter high, ये cliff है 60 meter high. The angle of depression of top and the bottom of the tower, ये tower है बेटा, ये cliff है. The angle of depression to the top and the bottom of the tower is 30 degrees and 60 degrees respectively. Find the height of the tower. बेटा height of the tower is h, तो ये भी h. So ऊपर वाला part will become 60 minus h because पूरा cliff का height was 60 meters बेटा. पूरा cliff का height was 60. तो अगर ये वाला पार्ट h है तो रिमेनिंग ऊपर वाला पार्ट 60 माइनस h. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट एक ट्राइंगल, ये पूरा ट्राइंगल ले लो बेटा. ये 60 डिग्रीज है, ये पूरा 60 मीटर्स है और ये x है. लेट अस नेम इट a b c d e. ठीक है. सो पहले tan ऑफ 60 डिग्रीज इज 60 अपॉन x बेटा. root 3 is equals to 60 upon x. So x is 60 upon root 3 beta. Okay. Now take second smaller triangle AED बेटा. ये 30 डिग्री है, ये 60 माइनस h है. ठीक है बेटा. और ये x है which is 20 root 3. So tan of 30 degrees is 60 minus h upon 20 root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals to 60 minus h upon 20 root 3. ये इधर चला जाएगा. So 20 root 3 upon root 3 is equals to 60 minus h बेटा. So 20 is equals to 60 minus h. So h is 40 meters. So the height of the tower is 40 meters. Please go through the entire calculation the way we are doing the calculation beta. Please, very interesting way we are doing it. Kindly pause this video and try to attempt question number 5 on your own. In 5 there are 2 cases. Let us discuss 2 cases individually. I'll divide it into 2 parts, the same sum. Okay guys, so let us read out. ओके चलो डायग्राम बना दिया. Let's draw it. Let's read it out. The first case, the height of the pole is 10 meters, okay, and the man's eye, this is man's eye is at a height of 2 meters above the ground. He observes the elevation C, okay, of the top of the pole as x degrees. Great. Given tan of x degrees is 2 by 5. In the first case, we have to find AB ka distance. In the second case, they have said find x. Okay, in the second case, given AB is 15 meters. Okay. Chalo. Let us start by solving. So in this case, tan of x का value दिया है, we have to find AB. In this case, AB का value दिया है, we have to find angle x. ठीक है? So suppose let us name it A. So we know tan of x is opposite. बेटा देखो, ये 2 है तो ये भी 2 होगा, तो रिमेनिंग कितना हो जाएगा? 8 meters. Will you agree बेटा? तो in triangle DEC, tan of x is 8 upon a beta, given 2 by 5. So 2a is 40, a is 20. ये 2 meters तो ये भी 2 meters, तो ऊपर वाला 8 meters, ये 15 है तो ये भी 15 meters. So again in triangle DEC, tan of x is opposite 8 upon adjacent 15. Tan of x is equals to 8 divided by 15 करो 0.533. बेटा अभी आप लॉग बुक ओपन करोगे तो उन्होंने बोला नियरेस्ट डिग्रीज. दे डोंट वांट एग्जैक्ट आंसर, दे वांट नियरेस्ट डिग्रीज. सो नियरेस्ट डिग्री इज 28 डिग्रीज बिकॉज 10 अगर 28 देखोगे तो 0.5317 कुछ होगा. ठीक है. So therefore x is 28 degrees. Nearest degree पूछा था, so we got it. Understood the difference between the sum? In the first case, everything remains same. ठीक है. In the first case, they asked us to find the distance AB. Okay. हम लोग को 20 मिला. In the second case, मुझे AB का distance 15 meters दे दिया था. I need to find angle x to the nearest degrees. Fine. Please pause this video. We'll try to solve sum number 6 now. From a window A 10 meters above the ground, the angle of elevation of top C is x degrees. Okay. From a top of the window 10 meters above the ground, the angle of elevation to the top C is x degrees, given tan of x degrees is 5 by 2. And the angle of depression of foot D is y degrees. Tan of y degrees is equals to 1 by 4. Calculate the height of CD. ये पूरा हाइट ढूंढना था CD का. ठीक है बेटा. ये 10 मीटर्स तो ये भी 10 मीटर्स. ये H है और ये A है बेटा. ठीक है. So first we start with triangle AED बेटा. In triangle AED, can you observe बेटा? Tan of y degrees is opposite 10 upon adjacent A. 1 upon 4 is 10 upon A. A is 40 meters. Second, in triangle AEC, tan of x is h upon A. Tan of x is 5 by 2, which is h upon 40. So h is 5 by 2 into 40. Therefore, capital H is h plus 10. 100 plus 10, 110 meters. होप सो आपको समझ में आया हो बेटा. गाइस अंडरस्टूड? पक्का वाला बेटा समझ में आया दिख रहा है? अच्छा लोग, प्लीज पॉज दिस वीडियो एंड ट्राई टू सॉल्व ऑन योर ओन. देन we'll move to the last sum for this particular type 5. a 20-meter vertical pole and vertical tower are on the same level ground. At the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, the tower है, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower as seen from the foot of the pole is 60 degrees, and angle of elevation to the top of the pole as seen from the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Okay. So tan of 30 degrees is 20 upon x beta. Correct beta? Tan of 60 degrees is h upon x. So root 3x is equals to h. Substitute x के बदले 20 root 3 is equals to h. 20 into 3 is equals to h. So h is 60 meters. Hope so you have understood मेरा बच्चा very well. x के बदले मैंने 20 root 3 substitute कर दिया बेटा. So 20 root 3 into root 3. So 20 into 3 60 meters. Hope so you have understood very well बच्चा लोग. Please go through all sums अच्छे से. Try to solve on your own. This time is very essential. Very good sums we did. Hope so you have understood it. Thank you so much for listening us out. Have a great day.